So after reading more about Jack's case study and learning what it's like for him and for our family, what do we as parents wish teachers would know and understand? In my husband's words, this is a futile effort. It's an impossible task, but we still try. What's important for Jack is getting that stimulation and interaction. Our goals for him are that he's happy. Goals really matter, but they need to be realistic for Jack. Having a goal of him being able to walk is not a realistic goal for us. So our expectations may be low, but our hope is very high. In this section of the discussion, I'm going to give you guys an opportunity to ask any questions that you still may have about Jack, about his disabilities, about how you might deal with a child similar to Jack as an educator. And I'll leave you with this. Being a parent of a child with special needs is quite like standing on the seashore. Waves crash and hit you constantly, and you've got to find a way to stand strong. So even if your eyes are filled with stinging salt, smile at your courage. Smile at your strength. Smile at what you've learned. Imagine how much wisdom you've gained. Your strength is remarkable. I always say that Jack is my greatest teacher. I'm excited for you all to meet your very own greatest teachers, your students, someday soon.